Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, my dear vascular colleague. This is an important message to all my dear vascular fellow. In the last few days, I was examining the MRCS Part B examination in Egypt, and there was around 400 candidates. I have been examining the MRCS for the past 15 years. And what surprised me and really made me feel a little bit sad that the level of doctors going for MRCS was not good. Failure rate exceeded 80%. And what surprised me more, few of the candidates that I did examine them before and examine them again did not improve their techniques. So the technique, how you take history, how you do examination, how you do suturing, how you comment on anatomy and x-ray, the technique has not changed. And there is a responsibility for me and for all senior vascular colleague that this should be managed, should be treated, should be corrected. In the meantime, there was a very big event in Egypt, which is the launch of a new hospital called Vascular ART Hospital by my dearest Professor Mahmoud Salah in New Cairo. And this hospital is very much interested in teaching and making courses and workshop for young surgeons. And I was encouraged. I've contacted them and they really helped me a lot. Two persons has helped me a lot, Dr. Iman and Dr. Muhammad. And they are working in that hospital. And we are trying to organize workshops in the following 4 fields, which I think is important. The field number 1 is vascular duplex scan training, how you can do upper and lower limb duplex scan plus other areas, carotid and renals. And it should be in the format of workshop, which means should be live on a patient, giving some books, some advice, how you do the procedure. And it should have 2 components. One component is on-site training and the other component is online training. And the component online is extremely important. These courses are not free of charge. There is a cost which will be paid with any course we do, because there is a cost that the hospital have bought the duplex machine, the internet infrastructure, and so many other things. But it will not be like training courses in Europe. For example, the Maastricht European Vascular course cost around 800 euros. So I want the Middle East region to have, let us say, cost-effective course without these very high prices, but to be beneficial, to give them a direct advice, and to be interactive, not to be just giving lecture without having reply back. So I will try to get few of your candidates to do the duplex scan, to do the MRCS OSCE station. I've also known the guidelines for an examiner with the Royal College of Surgeons of England, so there is no conflict regarding my courses with the Royal College, because I follow the guidelines of the Royal College of Surgeons of England strictly. And they are encouraging us to do teaching with a certain guidelines. So we're going to work on 4 elements. The number 1 is duplex scan for vascular surgeon, to know how to do duplex scan and how to perform it. You perform it as well, and how to do the reporting, and we'll get you a certificate of continuous professional development, or CPD certification for your courses. The second part is MRCS. We're going to do virtual OSCE station for MRCS training. I want all the candidates to pass the MRCS exam. I want them to be exquisitely well and to be very well prepared, to be like the best candidates that they go to the exam in England. And this is what I hope to achieve. So these courses for MRCS candidates as well to join. I will try to get virtual OSCE station where the candidate will will face, and then we're going to discuss what he has done right and what he has done wrong, and how to improve his technique in going into the exam. The third one is the vascular surgeon and artificial intelligence. It's a new tool which is extremely important. It will help you in passing the exam. And if you are very much interested, you can do a little bit of Python programming with artificial intelligence, which is completely free of any cost. You don't have to pay any computer. You don't have to have a mega supercomputer for the analysis. Everything is free by Google Colab and Python coding. The last one is vascular tools. I'm going to get the companies with a new vascular tool that you should be aware of, like the lithotripsy, like Rotarex, like other devices, Angiojet, and so on. These devices are extremely important for you to know, and it will definitely help you much in your career. And it's very important to get best training in order to get the best job with the best income. I have created, as you know, WhatsApp group and Telegram group for vascular online training. I will put the link down below. And I've also created for the new hospital, which is called Vascular Art TOT training, or training of the trainer. The difference of this course is that we are training you not to be good in your field, but to train others. And this is the TOT programming or TOT courses. So it will be all TOT courses, and I will put the link as well for the WhatsApp group and the Telegram group for Vascular Art TOT courses. I hope you all can join. We hope to start the course soon in Ramadan, and I will keep you updated regarding the course, the time, and all the full detail. There is a lot of work going behind with the hospital to do so many things to get it ready, but I thought to get this information out, hoping you can join me in up speeding your surgical skills and to help you in progress in your vascular career. I wish you all a happy month of Ramadan. I wish you all a happy working year on your vascular development, and I wish you all the best. My name is Dr. Muhammad Omar Farouk. I'm a consultant vascular surgeon.